Hello and welcome to the next tutorial for Web 110. My name is Evan Farrell and today we'll be discussing Internet protocols. So a protocol, well, there are sets of rules for communicating over the Internet. They determine the type of error checking to be used and how a sending device will indicate that it's finished sending a message. Some are more reliable, although a bit slower, and others are faster. There are a number of types of protocols. We'll be discussing 5 today. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and Domain Name Server. TCP/IP handles the breakdown of data into packets, while the TCP part ensures that the packets are delivered and reassembled in the correct order. This protocol uses a client-server model, which means that a computer that sends a request, which is the client, is basically asking for the server to send a web page, for instance, and the communication is point to point, which just means it's from computer to computer. So here are a bunch of images. TCP/IP is usually shown with the OSI model. I think this is a good one. It shows 4 layers of the TCP/IP and what other protocols are associated with each layer. So Hypertext Transfer Protocol was created by Tim Berners-Lee, and it just simply enables communication between a host and a server, such as transferring web pages to a browser. So for example, when you enter in a URL in your browser, you're actually sending an HTTP command to the web server and directing it to fetch and transmit the requested web page. Okay, File Transfer Protocol is kind of like Hypertext Transfer Protocol, except this is just downloading. This is downloading files from a server and uploading files to a server. Here's a good image of FTP Navigator, where here's the server, here's the client. I'm guessing these arrows. This arrow is probably to upload to the server, and this is to download. Okay. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is a hierarchical system of domains. So this automatic. Oh no, I'm sorry. That was DNS. This is DHCP, is where a server automatically assigns an IP address to a device without the use of an administrator to perform the task. I think this is a good image. So in DHCP, a device will send a request, a discover actually, to a server, and then when the server discovers the device, the device will then send the request to the server, and then the server will assign an IP address to the device. And lastly, we have domain name service, which is the hierarchical system of domains into IP addresses. And let's see, here's the hierarchical system. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching my video.